My child, in a world that often measures us by the gaze of others, it's imperative to realize that your worth is not determined by their perceptions or actions. When someone chooses to ignore you, it's not a reflection of your value, it's a reflection of their own struggles and circumstances. Each of you is an extraordinary individual, a mosaic of strengths, talents, and qualities that define your uniqueness. Today, we unravel the art of reclaiming your self-worth, armed with the wisdom that self-respect is your mightiest weapon. Instead of succumbing to the shadows of rejection, we will learn to radiate the brilliance of your own dignity. You are about to discover that amidst the deafening silence of neglect, your voice echoes louder, and your presence shines brighter. Are you ready to take control and define your worth, irrespective of external judgments? Let's embark on this empowering journey together. Number 1. Your worth is not defined by others. Ladies and gentlemen, it's essential to remember that your worth and value as a person are not determined by how others treat you. When someone chooses to ignore you, it reflects more about them and their circumstances than it does about you. You are a unique individual with your own strengths, talents, and qualities that make you special. Number 2. Self-respect is your superpower. In moments of rejection or neglect, self-respect becomes your most potent weapon. Instead of dwelling on why someone is ignoring you, focus on maintaining your dignity and self-worth. Never allow anyone's actions or inactions to diminish your self-esteem. By respecting yourself, you project an aura of confidence that commands respect from others. Number 3. Seek understanding and empathy. Sometimes when someone ignores you, there may be reasons beyond your control or knowledge. Approach the situation with understanding and empathy. Open a line of communication to find out if there's something bothering them or if there has been a misunderstanding. Sometimes it's not about you, but about what the other person is going through. Number 4. Rise above and grow stronger. When faced with the challenge of being ignored, see it as an opportunity for personal growth. Use the experience to build emotional resilience. Challenge your energy into self-improvement, pursuing your passions and nurturing your relationships with those who appreciate and support you. Remember, setbacks can pave the way for comebacks. Number 5. Surround yourself with positivity. One of the most effective ways to deal with being ignored is to surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out friends, families, or mentors who uplift and support you. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you will find that the impact of being ignored becomes less significant, and your confidence and happiness grow. In conclusion, being ignored by someone can be challenging, but it doesn't define your worth. Maintain your self-respect, seek understanding, and use experience to strengthen your character. Rise above the negativity and focus on personal growth and the positive relationships in your life. Remember, you have the power to navigate these situations with grace and emerge even stronger. Your worth is not determined by how others treat you. It's defined by your resilience, self-respect, and the way you choose to respond to life's challenges. Wake up.